Okay, bring the jack here. We'll start the greens on this side.
Right away.
This carrot feels firm, good texture.
Yes, and the color is vibrant. Meat size too.
Careful with this one, it's heavy.
Got it. Wow, look at all these.
Immediately after blanching, the vegetables are plunged into ice-cold water to stop the cooking process.
Individual quick freezing, or IQF technology, ensures that the vegetable pieces don't stop.
This is the best broccoli I've ever had.
Your grandpa grew it himself.
Fresh from the garden this morning.